YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the Anthony fam. We're back with another video. This time it's a really cool one for all the kids. If you guys have ever had a satisfying experience with slime, we're going to be doing it all in this video. Today we got a special guest visiting the Anthony fam. It's one of our cousins. It's cousin Lexie, and she's going to be showing you guys how to do it all. Make the slime, create the slime, and let's get to the video. Welcome back to the Anthony Family Show. This is the slime show. Of course, we got Cinco here from Cinco and Nachi. And then we got cousin Lexie. Welcome to the fam, cousin Lexie.
Okay, so my name is Lexie, and today I'm with the Anthony fam, and we're going to be making slime and talking about slime. So, slime is a substance, and you use glue. You might want contact lens solution and shaving cream. And the things you can add, if you want, you can add some food coloring to make it colorful. And sometimes slime can be used, you can sell slime and get a lot of money from that, because I know a couple people who do that, and really big bubbles with it, like this.
Wow, that's amazing.
And yeah, and then it crunches because all the air bubbles in it.
Right. And it is so satisfying. I would say that it's one of the cooler things that you can touch. It's not too sticky out there, parents, so if you're wondering about your kids running around with sticky hands, yes, they'll have some slime on it, but it just comes right off.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a really big slime string. String of slime.
Yeah. You always want to put something down so that it doesn't get everywhere.
Okay.
And also, if you're wondering how much this probably all costs together,
right.
This was probably $3 for this mini one. This
gotcha.
was 99 cents.
99 cents?
This was, I can't quite remember, but I think it would probably be like $4 or something.
$4, okay.
Yeah.
So overall, you're looking at about, maybe about a good 10 bucks or so for most of that stuff with tax maybe. So cool, it's something that parents can do and actually have fun with. What ages do you recommend for slime? Is this for everyone or?
I feel like it depends the texture.
Sure.
So this texture is one of the most basic textures. This is fluffy slime.
Okay.
So I think maybe for 6 and up probably, or no, not 6 and up, 4 and up.
4 and up, okay.
Because, you don't want them getting it in their hair and stuff.
Right. Can you show us how to make slime actually right now? Okay. By the way, if you're wondering what time of the year it is, you look at these big things right there. It is summertime and they are out today. These big giant mosquitoes are just landing on my deck here. Say hello to the country city. Say hello, America, to the country city. Sorry, I just thought I'd take a little quick break. I just noticed this guy right here underneath the deck. Look at him. He's looking right at the camera. Say hi to the camera. Bye. I don't want to get too close to that thing.
The first step, you want to add some glue.
And how long does it take to make slime?
Actually, I've made slime in about a minute.
Okay, wow.
It wasn't the best slime, but I could do it in a minute. About 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to shake the shaving cream up and spray it in. Just like that. There's a bunch of different types of slime. There's cloud slime, there's butter slime, there's slushy slime, there's a bunch of slime. There's jiggly slime and stuff like that. So we're going to be adding pink in because I made orange here and now I'm going to add pink.
Okay.
It doesn't really matter how much drops you add. It should be 1 if you want a light pink, and maybe 2 or 3 if you want a medium pink, and 5 if you want a dark pink.
Gotcha.
Very. And then contact lens solution.
And what does that do exactly for it?
That is what makes it turn into slime. See, you can pump up.
Wow, look at that. This is really, really cool, kids. So if you have time to do this at home, parents, let them do it. Have at it. It's like a cool science project. Wow, look how that looks, guys. That looks amazing. And that's very cool. I think that's one of the things that we didn't have when I was growing up as a kid, the ability to know how to do stuff like this. So this is something I think just recently became a phenomenon, especially like she said on YouTube. You know, you can see people even doing this on their Twitter accounts, I believe. And you can also look at people doing this on TikTok and Instagram. So
you know the slime is able to be touched when everything gets off the sides mostly. As you can tell, it's starting to clump up in the spoon. Just like that. And I'm going to show you guys how to make a slime swirl too. So all you got to do is grab your slime, just like this, and you're going to start stretching it out. And just fold and fold and fold until it starts having like little wrinkles, I guess. And then you swirl.
Wow, look at that. That's really cool. Man, look how that looks. That is amazing.
And then you can crunch it. So this, it kind of feels like a cloud, even though clouds are really not, can't really see things.
Right.
But like if you thought of like what a cloud would feel like, you know, you would think fluffy.
Right.
It's kind of like this.
That's pretty cool.
So yeah, that's how you make slime.
Wow.
There's so many different types of slimes you can make. You can just search it up on whatever you have, Safari, and it will pop up of what slimes you can make. This one's super fluffy.
Wow, that's amazing. I mean, this looks great. I think this is a really, really, really cool video to be able to show people how easy it is. It's not going to get your house messy. You know, you're really giving your kids a lot of fun with this stuff. And then, like I said, it's very satisfying and fun because you can play with this for hours. How long do you think you usually have slime like last for? Can it sit out? Do you have to put a lid on it? Do you have to keep it fresh? Do you have to remake it after a while?
So I would say how long?
Yep.
So you see how fluffy this is? Like this is like super fluffy. It looks kind of like bubble gum.
Right.
Slime would probably like shrink a little bit. It's kind of like when your clothes go in the dryer.
Gotcha.
But yeah. So you probably need a lid on it so that it wouldn't dry out and get hard.
Right.
So I probably think that the slime would last maybe like 3 months.
Okay, 3 months.
Or more.
And then I see the orange one that was made. How long has this been out for?
That's been here for a day.
Okay.
And the more you play with the slime, the more bubbles it gets.
Okay.
See those bubbles?
Right.
So yeah.
Okay. Right on. This has been an awesome video, Lexie. Thank you so much for showing us how to make slime. And then remember, guys, if you're going to do this, make sure you got all your ingredients. Like she said, run through the ingredients one more time so they know. Oh, cool. Look at that bug. Oh, wow.
Shaving cream.
Okay.
Bio-Trio, which is contact stone solution.
Right.
School glue.
Right.
And food coloring and spoon and a bowl or something like that.
Okay, gotcha. All right. Thank you so much for shooting the video and making us learn how to make slime. Oh, crazy.